Today we are going to discuss about IUPAC nomenclature of alcohol. So we have already learned about the naming of organic compound according to the IUPAC guidelines in 11th standard. Let us recall basic rule to the name of alcohol. You just recall. So what are the important role in IUPAC name? See, first the select root word. This is a root word. You know very well about root word. What is root word? Select the longest continuous chain of the carbon atoms containing the functional group. So we have alcohol is a functional group. OH is a functional group. So select the longest continuous chain carbon atom. That is called as a root word. Okay. Then number 2, here you see the number of carbon atoms in the chain, so that the carbon bearing the OH group has the lowest possible number. Here is lowest possible number. Lowest possible number. So this is important. Second point, the number of carbon atoms in the chain, so that the carbon bearing of OH groups has been lowest possible number. The third one is the name of the substituent, if any. Our compound having name of substituent. Name of substituent. You give the third position. The fourth one is write the name of alcohol mentioned above. Prefix, right, plus root word plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. So this is the one type of formula. What is prefix? Here you see the substituent is a prefix. Here the root word is long chain. Longest chain. The primary suffix means the double bond or triple bond. Single bond is there, that is called as a saturated compound. Double bond is present unsaturated, right? Unsaturated portion. Here the secondary suffix is a functional group we called as a OL, right? So this is the nomenclature of alcohol. The basic root is we are called as the select longest continuous carbon atom is a root word is that is the functional group is OH in our compound. Then the second is lowest possible number. Here the number of carbon atoms in the chain, so that the carbon bearing the OH group has the lowest possible number. The name of the substituent, if any, right? If any substituent, so we give the third position, right? Is the formula prefix plus root word plus primary suffix and secondary suffix. Here the prefix means substituent, root word means longest chain, primary suffix is saturated or single bond or double bond or triple bond is there. Secondary suffix is what are the functional group. So this is the main concept of IUPAC nomenclature of alcohol. Next we are going to see about the following, that some of the compound, how to give the IUPAC name. See here the structure the compound, common name, structural formula of IUPAC name. You see, so this is one type of structure, the common name, a compound. Compounds are common name. So here I am going to take the compound is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. So what are the structure of isopropyl alcohol? You see, iso means CH3, CH, OH and CH3. First you give the number. How many chain groups is present here? You see, first the OH is a functional group, the carbon hydrogen is a chain groups. You first give the number is, this is for one, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, right? Third carbon. So how many carbon is present? 3 carbons. So 3 means propane. 3 means propane. Then this is the for root word, and second position you can give the OH group, that is called as a all. So this is the IUPAC name. This is for IUPAC name. You just that what are the rules and regulations for this root word here? Which one is the prefix here? Prefix, is there any with position? No. Here there is no any substituent. Right? Then root word. So already I told you root word is a continuous carbon. So how many carbon here present? 1, 2, 3. So that means root word used for prop. That means prop. Then primary suffix. What are the primary suffix here used? And there is no double bond. Here is an. This means we called as a alkane, alkene, alkyne. So this is ANE is a single bond, ENE is a double bond, YNE is a triple bond. Here there is no any double bond or triple bond. It's only for single bond. That means ANE means here E is not come, and then secondary suffix is here. What is the functional group? OH. The second position, it is OH group is attached. That means second OL. Alcohol means last position is OL is correct word. So this is the fundamental concept of the IUPAC name. So this is the common name. Isopropyl alcohol is a common name. This the structure is CH3, CH, CH3, OH. Then here the root word is pro. And second position is a functional group is attached. The second carbon position is functional group is attached. That is called the second position is alcohol, right? So there is one substituent, that is the prefix is 0, and root word is used for prop, and primary suffix is ANE, alkyne, right? Then secondary suffix is alcohol. So this is the concept. So next one for example for tertiary butyl alcohol. So what is the structure of tertiary butyl alcohol? This is the structure. So this is for 1, this is for the 2. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. What is meant by tertiary butyl? So this is the structure is, you see, the simply you called as a tertiary means CH3, CH3, then here directly connected is OH. You see the number is first root word is 1, 2, 3. So this is substituent. Second question is substituent. What is the name? You see the 2-methyl. First you give the name is prefix. Here prefix is methyl. So second position methyl group is present. Methyl, right? Then second position again methyl propane. 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl propane, and second position is alcohol. 2-OL. So this is for the IUPAC name. This is for IUPAC name. The tertiary alkyl is a common name. The IUPAC name is 2-methyl, second position 2-methyl propane root word, and second position is alcohol. This is a secondary alcohol. You see the substituent is prefix is what? 2-methyl. So this is the 2-methyl, second position is methyl is substituted here. Then root word is prop, right? And then primary suffix is ane, and then secondary suffix is 2-ol. This is the name called as here 2-methyl propane 2-ol. So this is the fundamental concept of the how to give the IUPAC name of common name, right? Then next we are going to see another one example for how to give the IUPAC name. The example is neopentyl alcohol. So what is neopentyl alcohol? First you give the structure of neopentyl alcohol. CH3 CH2OH. First you take the prefix with the position number. First you give the number. Here 1, 2, 3. So whichever lowest position the functional group is present, you give the number is first 1, 2, 3. The methyl group is second position one methyl group, another one methyl group. This is for the substituent, right? Here this substituent. What are the name is second person 2 and 1 methyl and 2 another 1 methyl. So we called simply 2, 2 di means 2 dimethyl. Okay, dimethyl. How many root word? It is 1, 2, 3. Propane, right? Propane. Then the first position is alcohol is present. That is a secondary suffix. That means 1-ol. The first carbon is attached is 1-ol. You see the prefix is here 2, 2 dimethyl. Because of this is the one substituent, another one substituent. The 2 methyl group is attached in second position. That's called as a first 2 in the methyl group, another 2 is a methyl group. 2 dimethyl. It is a root word is propane. Because of root word is 1, 2, 3. So it is directly attached to least group. That is the position is lowest number. You can give the first number. That is a prop. Then it is a primary suffix is an, because there is no any double bond or triple bond. So that is called as a an, right? E means signature, right? Then secondary suffix that's called as 1-ol. That's called as a 1-ol because of one portion is attached. So this is a neopentyl alcohol is a common name, and then 2,2-dimethyl propane 1-ol is a IUPAC name. So this is the simple way to give the how to number, right? How to number. Another one is isobutyl alcohol. So how to give the isobutyl alcohol? Isobutyl alcohol. Isobutyl alcohol. So what is the? This is the common name. You can give the structure. Iso means CH3, CH, CH2, OH. Okay, the root number 1, 2, 3. The second position is methyl group is substituted. So this is for the prefix with the position number. Second position is the methyl group is substituted. So first you give the number is second position 2 methyl, 1 methyl group is present, and 1, 2, 3 root word is propane, right? And first is 1-ol. This is 2 methyl propane ol. Root word is what? 2 methyl prop means root word, and ANE alkane, and 1-ol. So this is for the new isobutyl alcohol IUPAC name. IUPAC name. What is mean IUPAC name? So International Union Pure and Applied Chemistry. This is for the one of the organization to how to give the chemical name. So they are giving for some rules and regulation. This is the for rules for due to the chemical name, right? Okay. Another one example. Benzyl alcohol. So this is the structure, right? Give the name, number, alternative position, right? CH2 OH. CH2 OH. Phenyl methanol. The benzyl alcohol is, the common name is benzyl alcohol, but here IUPAC name is phenyl. Phenyl. This is for the phenyl methanol. Phenyl methanol. So what is the name? This is for the prefix with number. Prefix with number. It is called as the C6H5 is a phenyl. The name is phenyl. This is for phenyl. This is a substituent, right? The root word is only 1 methyl group. It is called as a meth, right? This is called as a meth, right? Then root word again, prefix, primary suffix. Primary suffix. Primary suffix is, there is no any double bond, so that means as AN, right? That is mean the AN, E. So you cannot use the E. So secondary suffix is alcohol, directly connected as a alcohol, right? That is called as a phenyl methanol. Phenyl methanol is a correct. Another one important for the common name is allyl alcohol. Allyl alcohol. Allyl alcohol. What is the allyl alcohol? What is the structure? Here with some change, there is no double bond. So there is no single bond. Here is come for double bond. So the primary suffix is changed some name here. So we give the some root number 1, 2, 3, right? So what is the prefix? Prefix means any substituent here? No. Root word is how many carbon present at long chain is 3, prop, right? And primary suffix is here. Primary suffix is alkene. That is means by alkene means double bond. Here is double bond is present. That is called as a second position in one double bond is present. 2 ENE. E is not come. So 2 the alcohol is directed in the first carbon OH. So this is called as a probe 2 in 1 all. Probe 2 in 1 all. Probe means root word the 1, 2, 3 carbon present. Second position is double bond, that is called as En. The first position is alkyl is present. So we called as a probe 2 in 1 all. This is for the IUPAC name. So here little change is primary suffix, because of here alkene is present, double bond is present. That's why it is a name is changed, right? Probe 2 in 1 all. Probe 2 in 1 all, right? Probe 2 in 1 all. So this is the common name for alkyl. Next, another one example, another one common name is a cyclohexyl alcohol. How to give the name? Cyclohexyl alcohol, right? The common name is cyclohexyl alcohol. This is the name OH group present, right? OH group present. So we give this IUPAC name cyclo, means this is for the cyclo. How many carbon present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cyclo. Hexa means 6. 6 means hexa. Hexanol, right? Cyclohexanol. So there is no any substituent. So prefix is not come, substituent not come. The root word is what? Cyclohex is the root word, and primary suffix is Ne, because of there is no any double bond or triple bond, and secondary suffix is alcohol, right? The common name is cyclohexanol. This is for IUPAC name, cyclohexanol. So another one example for glycerol. This is for common name glycerol. What is the structure? Glycerol means OH, CH2 bond, CH, OH, CH2, OH. So we give the name. First you think that what is the root word? Is there any substituent? Is there? There is no any substituent, right? Okay. Root word is 1, 2, 3. So propane, and first position is on alcohol is present, second position on alcohol present, third position is alcohol present. That's called 1, 2, 3, tri means 3 alcohol, triol. The substituent is not come, root word is pro, right? And A and A is E is not come, and position is 1, 2, 3 alcohol is present. This is first carbon position 1, second carbon position 1 alcohol, third carbon is another 1 alcohol is present, right? So this is the fundamental concept, how to give the IUPAC name, right? Here today we discussed about only for nomenclature of the alcohols. Next class we are going to discuss about the preparation of alcohols. So this is for the simple methodology for how to give the IUPAC name for. So these type of questions are very important to NEET exam or public exam. Okay. Thank you.